welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my first ever Amazon wig, a first impression, install, and slight review. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I had some technical difficulties.
We having we having technical difficulties.
So I have to redo it, and it's not gonna look the same like how it was when I first got it. But basically, the wig came in this package here, regular Amazon packaging. It came with a wig cap and an elastic band. It was basically clipped up like this. It didn't have the part. It was all brushed back. I just did the part, but then my camera died and lost the footage, so we're doing it again. So it came like this. Originally it had this inside and it was wrapped in a net. So before my camera died, I was just showing you guys what it looked like once I first put it on. I did add some foundation to the lace and some concealer to the hairline. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. So it has an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band. It doesn't have any combs. It's a 24-inch body wave with a 5x5 HD closure. It's supposed to be pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which is great because I have somewhere to be. And I have a trip, so I don't have time to be bleaching and plucking. So basically, this is what it looks like after I start putting the concealer on, because that's what I was doing when my camera died. And this is what it looks like before. So you see it still has a little bit of a cast. This side is blending a little bit better because I added that concealer. All I did was just part my hair down the middle, apply some wax, and then hot comb. So before my camera died, I was applying this concealer. So I'm just gonna apply it to the other half. Okay guys, so this is what the hair would look like if you basically just wore it and went. So I did have to add foundation to the lace and like around, you know, just on the lace so it can blend to my skin better. So we do have that going on. For the most part it's snug, but these parts right here are sticking up. We'll probably have to use either some got2b spray, even spray, or like some mousse and a elastic band to melt that a little bit, but no glue is necessary. This is what the hairline looks like after plucking. It's pre-plucked. I personally would prefer a little more plucking on the hairline, and I would probably pluck the part a little bit more, but this is what it would look like. So if you're into no baby hairs, just, you know, a little bit of something, well, actually not doing too much of anything when it comes to your wigs, this is good for you. But me personally, I like the baby hairs, a wider part and everything, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. But yeah, this is what it looks like, I guess, without any extra modifications other than matching it to my skin and flattening the part. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready to do my baby hairs. I'm going to use the elastic band to tie it down. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this to melt, I'm just going to add a few like flat iron curls to my hair. I'm going to be using Silk Remedy and just applying this throughout the hair just a little bit. This is what one side is looking like. I'm just going to do the other. Okay, so now that the curls, the little body curls are done. I'm just going to finger comb them out. See what this melt looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to add some concealer to my part just to make it a little bit wider, because I do prefer a more natural part. Those skinny ones are okay, so this is what it looks like after I added a couple baby hairs, made the part a little bit bigger. Like I said, I would personally plug this a little bit more, but this is cool. I don't know if I could say this is necessarily wear and go. Like, you would still have to, you know, customize it to your liking, like style it to your liking. And if you want to do baby hairs, you could do that. Is it beginner friendly? Yes, because you don't have to, if you're not really skilled with bleaching and plucking, and you know, you're just scared you might mess up your wig, like cutting the lace, perfect. Like, if you just need something you can just, they did all the hard work for you, this is it. The hair is really soft, it's flowy. It's supposed to be 24 inches. I don't know, I have to see. I did not measure or anything. I'm pretty tall too, I'm 5'8", so it may look different on somebody shorter, but it is long. It's not like it's right here. It's definitely, it will go down my back. But yeah, the hair is really cute, really soft, really nice. I got it from Amazon, like I said, my first Amazon wig, and it was originally $109, but they have a $30 coupon, so I got it for $79.99. Yeah, I got it for $79.99. So pretty good for 24 inches. Body wave texture, and it's pretty much wear and go. I guess the only con I really have is that it doesn't have any clips, but it is secure. I think it's supposed to be 22 or 22.5, so like average cap size. So yeah, everything, the details about this wig will be in the description box below. If this video was helpful for you guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.